From the stable of LJE Nigeria, a warm welcome to our viewers out there. This is Know Your Law, where we enlighten you and educate you on your common laws in Nigeria. I am Munirat Adama. Today's topic, quite a rave of the moment, I must say. No refund policy in Nigeria. Did you know that the no refund sign in the shop, website, or on social media handles doesn't override your rights? Yes, that's very correct. Under Section 120 of the FCCPC Act, if you buy a product that is defective, fake, unsafe, or not as described, you are entitled to a refund, a repair, or replacement at the long run, no matter what the seller claims. Refusing to honor this is an offence, and such business risks a fine of up to 10 million naira or criminal prosecution. If your rights are violated, don't stay silent. Report to the FCCPC via fccpc.gov.ng or call their hotlines or file a complaint through your lawyer. Know that your rights are not negotiable, and at LJE Nigeria, our business is to keep you informed at all times. Bye for now.